discussed in the class also. And if anybody was absent for that, I'm sharing the PDF also for chapter 5, acid, bases and salts. Okay. You guys may take a screenshot. All the short questions, oral questions, science quiz questions, MCQs, worksheet question, tick the correct, fill-ups, very short. All these you have to do in your book only. I hope I can turn the page now. And short answer type 1, short answer type 2, and long question along with thoughts and application based questions you have to do in your notebook. Okay. I have turned the page again. Please check it. This is the last page. Okay. Only 3 pages are there. I hope I can stop sharing this. You guys must have taken the clip. Let me share the next one. That is chapter 6, which we were doing. Yes, physical and chemical changes, right? We have discussed this thing. What are physical changes? What are chemical changes? Right? Okay. I was going to show you a video for demonstrating this chemical reaction between copper sulfate solution and iron nail, as well as burning of magnesium ribbon. Okay, so you know what happened when we burn this magnesium ribbon? You're welcome, Manjana. What happened when we burn this magnesium ribbon? Magnesium ribbon को जब मैं burn करूंगी ना, तो क्या होगा? ये एक dazzling white light के साथ burn करेगी, and it's not good for us to see that dazzling white light, right? You know why? क्या होगा इससे अगर आप उस dazzling white light को देखेंगे? Temporary blindness you can say. कुछ देर के लिए आपको दिखना बंद हो जाएगा, right? So we should not see over there. We should use goggles at that time. And जब आप उसको जलाते हो तो obviously you know किसी भी चीज को if you want to burn, then oxygen's presence is compulsory. Yes, in previous classes we have done this experiment that if you want to burn a candle, right, then you can burn it only in the presence of oxygen. अगर आप कैंडल को जलाने के बाद उसके ऊपर ग्लास को उल्टा करके रख दोगे, क्या वो कैंडल अभी जलेगी? नहीं, थोड़ी देर के बाद क्या होगा? कैंडल बुझ जाएगी. And why this happened? Because it was not getting the oxygen. Oxygen is compulsory for combustion. जलने के लिए, combustion के लिए oxygen must है ना? तो यहाँ पर भी एटमॉस्फेयर में जब इस मैग्नीशियम रिबन को ऑक्सीजन मिलती है, then it react with that oxygen. Okay, it will react with that oxygen. Okay, let me stop sharing this. Okay, so what happens? Magnesium react with oxygen and what is made? Magnesium oxide. Is this reaction balanced? Mg का 1 एटम है, यहाँ पर भी 1 है, यहाँ ऑक्सीजन के 2 है, तो यहाँ पर 1 क्यों है? यहाँ पर अब मैं यहाँ पर 2 नहीं लगा सकती, right? I cannot do this thing. So what I can do? Sorry. What I can do? I can put 2 over here. अब तो Mg भी 2 हो गया and 2O हो गया, तो I am putting 2 over here. 2 Mg plus O2 will give me 2 MgO, मैग्नीशियम की रिबन को जब मैं ऑक्सीजन के प्रेजेंस में बर्न करूंगी तो वो क्या बनाएगा, मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड। ओके, अब ये मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड जो होता है वो पता है कैसे, इट विल बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ व्हाइट पाउडर। ओके, it will be in the form of white powder. Now if I will collect this, yeah, it want oxygen to burn beta. जितनी ग्लास के देखो, अगर आपने एम्प्टी ग्लास भी रखा है, then to in that empty glass also oxygen is present, right? So that's why, just because of that, what will happen, उस एम्प्टी ग्लास में जितनी ऑक्सीजन है इसलिए वो थोड़ी देर तो जलेगी, आफ्टर दैट वो स्टॉप हो जाएगी। ठीक है, ओके। सो अब मैंने क्या किया, इस मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड का जो पाउडर होगा इट विल बी ऑफ व्हाइट कलर्ड। नाउ आई एम कलेक्टिंग दैट पाउडर ऑफ मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड। ओके, आई हैव कलेक्टेड दैट व्हाइट पाउडर ऑफ मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड। मैग्नीशियम will burn in the presence of oxygen and it will make magnesium oxide. अब इस मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड के जो व्हाइट पाउडर है, I am dissolving that powder into water, and what I will get magnesium hydroxide, that is MgOH का whole twice. Okay, I will get this magnesium hydroxide. ठीक है, अब ये मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड मैंने आपको एसिड और बेसिस में बताया था कि एसिड्स हमेशा H+ आयन देते हैं, वाटर्स के साथ बनाते हैं, और वो OH- हाइड्रोक्सिल आयन देते हैं। ठीक है, सो हाइड्रोक्सिल आयन है, दैट मीन्स इट इज अ बेस। ओके, यू कैन प्रूव दिस दैट दिस इज अ बेस विद द हेल्प ऑफ लिटमस पेपर। ओके, नाउ do you remember that acid and base, how they react with litmus paper? Yes, if I talk about acid, मैंने आपको ट्रिक बताया था कि एसिड पहले आते हैं बेस से, तो they will go straight in the proper order, that means B to R, that means they will turn blue litmus paper to red. Okay, okay Pari, okay, wait beta, I will explain it on board, no problem. Give me 1 second, Pari. Let me set the camera on the board. Okay. It's not your content, ये 9th का content है. Let me rub it once. I'm just rubbing the board. Give me 1 second. Okay. So now I'm going to explain on board, and then I'll show you a video also to make it more clear. Okay. All right. I hope now this board will be visible to you. Let me check it. Yes, it is. So I was telling you about burning of magnesium ribbon. Okay, so what happened when you burn magnesium in the presence of oxygen? It will provide magnesium oxide. If I want to write it down in the chemical formula, magnesium का formula होता है Mg, oxygen का formula होता है O2 and magnesium oxide का formula होता है O. Okay, हमेशा याद रखिए whenever you are writing a chemical equation, the reactants and the product should be same in number. I repeat myself, the reactants, number of reactants should be equal to number of products. Okay. तो अगर यहाँ पर मैग्नीशियम का एक एटम है, यहाँ पर भी एक है. If here we are having two atoms of oxygen, तो यहाँ पर भी दो होने चाहिए. यहाँ पर एक है. I cannot put two over here, right? That will be wrong. So what I can do? I can put two over here. अब तो ये two मैग्नीशियम के लिए भी है, ये two ऑक्सीजन के लिए भी है. Okay, so two magnesium and two atoms of oxygen are here. So now I have put a two over here. अब दो मैग्नीशियम के, दो ऑक्सीजन के यहाँ, दो मैग्नीशियम के और दो ऑक्सीजन के यहाँ. Now this equation is balanced. Whenever you are writing a chemical equation, it should be balanced first. Okay? So मैग्नीशियम जब ऑक्सीजन की प्रेजेंस में चलेगी तो एक dazzling white light होगी. Dazzling white light it will burn with a dazzling white light and it will form magnesium oxide, जो कि white powder के form में होता है. Now if I have collected this white powder and now I am dissolving this white powder of magnesium oxide with water, then what I will get? I will get magnesium hydroxide. 1 of Mg, 1 of Mg. 2 of oxygen, 1 and 2. 2 of oxygen, 2 of hydrogen, H2, 2 of hydrogen. This equation is balanced. Okay. So when this magnesium oxide react with water, it will provide you magnesium hydroxide, which is a base. Okay, which is a base. अब मैंने इसको पानी में क्यों घोला? क्योंकि मुझे पता करना था कि ये अब what I want to show that burning of magnesium ribbon is chemical change, right? Is a chemical change. Okay, so now the magnesium oxide we have got, it is having totally different properties rather than this magnesium. इसकी जो properties है, chemical property, वो magnesium से बिल्कुल different है. That means a new substance is formed. So this is a chemical change. Okay, now the magnesium hydroxide which I have got, अगर मैं इसके साथ लिटमस पेपर की रिएक्शन करवाऊंगी, देन ये कौन से लिटमस पेपर को चेंज करेगा? मैंने इसमें रेड भी डाला एंड ब्लू भी डाला. ओके, सो एसिड क्या करता है? एसिड B2R, ओके, एंड बेसिस R2B. So when I have put it, the blue litmus paper in it, then do you think it will change into red? No, because it is a base, so it will not. No change in color of litmus paper. Okay, but अगर मैं इसकी रिएक्शन रेड लिटमस पेपर से करवाऊंगी, then what I will get? The red color of litmus changes to blue. Are you getting? Because this is a base, because it is having hydroxyl ion in it, it is a base, so it will change the color red litmus paper into blue. Blue litmus paper पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होगा. Okay. Secondly, second example, I have explained you for copper sulfate and iron nail. Okay, I hope you guys must have noted it down and I can rub it. Three have raised their hand. Let me ask to them what problem they are having. I hope the whole board is visible to you guys. No, ये book problem कर रहा है. Okay, I have removed this book. मैं कोई पतली book रख लेती हूँ. I hope now it is visible. Okay, let me check who are raising their hands. Yes, Vanshika.
मैम जो साइट के अंदर आपने लिखा है ना मैम, जो डेट के नीचे आपने लिखा हुआ है मैम, वो दिख नहीं रहा.
डेट के नीचे ये तो
यस मैम, ये वाली साइड.
मैंने आपको सिर्फ एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए लिखा हुआ है. That acid turns blue to red.
कोई नहीं लिखना.
हाँ लिख लो. Acid turns B to R and basic turns R to B. Only this V I have written. Okay.
ओके मैम. ओके मैम.
Any other doubt to anyone? Let me check for Astha. Yes, Astha.
Ma'am, the equation in which MgO means magnesium hydroxide plus water is equal to, yes, this one.
This one, magnesium oxide plus water will give you magnesium hydroxide, which is a base.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, उससे ऊपर जो है 2Mg plus O2. Yes, ma'am. इसमें ये क्या लिखा है एरो के नीचे?
Dazzling white light.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Any other doubt to anyone? Let me check. Sujal is also raising his hand. Yes, Sujal.
मैम ये सब फेयर कॉपी में उतारना है.
हाँ उतारो ना बिल्कुल.
और मैम साइड का थोड़ा दिख नहीं रहा कलर के साइड में जो लिखा है मैम.
I think the whole.
मैम जो आपने रेड लिटमस लिख रखा है उसके साइड में.
Okay. Is it okay?
यस मैम, आप दिख रहा है. थैंक यू मैम.
You're welcome बेटा.
मैम आपकी वॉइस धीरे आ रही है अभी.
अभी आ जाएगी. Don't worry. All the doubts clear about this? All right. Write it down quickly so that I can explain you the next one. That is the reaction of copper sulfate along with iron. You want to show the candle experiment? Okay, let me explain that copper reaction and then I'll allow you. Okay, Palak? Okay, I hope you guys must have done. I'm rubbing it. I'm not rubbing the whole board right now. I think it is enough for me. Okay. Next, we are going. Okay, reaction of copper sulfate with iron nail to check if it is a chemical reaction. Okay. So what we have taken? We have taken solution of copper sulfate, right? इसके अंदर मैंने क्या डाला? Iron nail, हील. ठीक है? This is the formula for iron. So फॉर्मूले में मैं केमिकल फॉर्म में we will write it down later on. What you will get when this copper sulfate will react with iron nail, you will get iron sulfide plus copper will be released. Okay, now let's write it down. CuSO4 plus CuSO4 plus Fe will give me FeSO4 plus copper will be released. Okay. ऐसा क्यों हुआ? क्योंकि आयरन ज्यादा रिएक्टिव है कॉपर से, तो डिस्प्लेस कर दिया. This is also known as displacement reaction. This you will study in your higher classes. In it, you will be able to do this displacement reaction. Okay. Which metal is more reactive, which is less reactive, the reactivity series, the metals, non-metals you are going to study in 8th. Okay. So CuSO4 when react with Fe, it will give you FeSO4 plus copper will be released over there. All right. Now this was of blue color, copper sulfate solution. Now the solution has become green in color, and that is just because of this iron sulfide being made. Now this iron sulfide is having totally different chemical properties other than this copper sulfate. Okay. So can we say this is a chemical reaction because a new substance is being formed over here? All right. Can I rub this part? Okay. Now I want Palak to show the experiment that oxygen is compulsory for combustion. She wants to show an activity, and after that I'm going to show you a video. Please note it down quickly. Yes, Pari, what happened? Are you having? Yes, please. You may unmute yourself.
मैम ये जो आपने एक बार अभी समझाया ना वो एक बार वापस समझा दो, मैं डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई थी.
हाँ?
जो आपने अभी समझाया ना वो एक बार वापस समझा दो.
Copper sulfate when it will react with other copper sulfate iron नहीं डालोगे, but if you will allow it to stand for few minutes, after few minutes, what you will observe that this copper sulfate has reacted with the iron, and now iron sulfide is made and copper will be leave. Okay, blue color का solution, green color का solution. Wait, I am going to show you a video also that will make more clearer to you. I'm going to show you a video regarding this activity. I'm just waiting for you guys to note it down. Let me know in the chat box if you guys have done quickly. Let me know in the chat box if you guys have done. Okay, Pari has done, Asta has done, Saksham has done. Everyone. Okay, Chitra, Urvashi, Sujal. All right. Okay, now I'm going to search for Palak. Yes, Palak, are you ready? Are you ready, Palak? Show me your thumbs up if you are. Let me search for Palak. Okay, can you show it again? I'm putting the spotlight on you, Palak. I'm searching for you, Palak. Yes, now the spotlight is on you. You may unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I start?
Yeah, you may.
Okay. First, we have to take the candle. Ma'am, it's showing or not?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I told you, no, oxygen is compulsory for combustion.
1 minute.
He's going to show you that oxygen is compulsory for combustion. Okay. He has lighted up the candle. Be careful, Palak.
Take minute.
Okay. He has lighted up the candle. Now he is putting the glass over it. See, for a few minutes, it will keep on burning as we are having a little amount of oxygen in the glass also around this candle. Okay. It will keep on burning for a few minutes. See. अब बुझ गई क्यों? क्योंकि जैसे आपने ग्लास रखा, it was not getting the oxygen. Okay, so can we say that for combustion oxygen is compulsory? Thank you, Palak.
You're welcome, ma'am.